I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying identity quickly. Have your ID and phone at hand. Open the Keeper Fampay app and choose Sign Up, then enter your name, email, and phone number so the platform can verify you. Once done, complete the two-step authentication to secure the account. Next, accept requested permissions and create a PIN. This gives you a virtual card instantly. Make sure to note the card details only in a secure place and move to funding once the account shows active. Once your virtual card exists, link a bank account or UPI for funding and select a primary source to avoid failed payments. You should add a small test deposit to confirm the link and then set recurring top-ups if desired. Next, configure spend limits and merchant categories to control where money can be used. This prevents surprises and enforces budgeting. Make sure to enable instant card lock and real-time alerts so you see each transaction and can act immediately if anything looks off. To finish, order a physical Keeper Fampay card if you need in-person payments, confirm your delivery address and note the estimated arrival. Review your activity regularly, categorize transactions, and reconcile pending charges so you understand cash flow. If payments fail or you see unexpected charges, lock the card immediately within the app and gather screenshots of the issue, then contact support with your transaction ID. This quick sequence resolves most issues, and keeping records helps escalate disputes efficiently if refunds are required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.